Hello mate, welcome to our game. Factor It. Explore and learn different tactics, techniques, and ways to find the right factors for each given equation. You can team up and teach your families and friends how to factor various trinomials. More players, more fun. Best of luck and enjoy the game. The Factor It team. Let's move on to the rules of the game. First, choose from one of the 9 trinomial cards which contain the equation to be factored. Second, there are other 36 cards that contain the factors for each trinomial card. Players will have to randomly choose 3 cards among the 36 factor cards. Third, each player is given a turn to eliminate a card. If the player's card is one or both a factor of the trinomial card, then the player can eliminate one or both his or her cards. Fourth, if there is no appropriate factor to that given equation among the player's cards, the player should pick another factor card randomly. The player can immediately put down the picked card if it is a factor. If all the players don't have any factors to that trinomial, they can draw another trinomial card. And the last step. Repeat steps 3 and 4 until one player does not have any card left. That player should shout "Factor" to officially count it as a win. However, other players may steal it by yelling "Bang" before the winner does. Next is the design of the cards. The green cards are for the trinomials, while the red cards are for the factors. Now that we have learned the various regulations of Factor It, let us proceed to the trial game and smash the other players.
So I invited over my sister to come play over our newly made card game to test if it is really playable. Before we actually begin, I had to explain what rules and objectives this game has. She pretty much got the point and we headed straight to play. Late through mid-game, we reached to a point where we don't have any factor cards more to draw. So we just draw the trinomial cards again from the start and see if we have any of those factors from each of the given trinomial cards that was going to be drawn. We did this up until someone reached to a point where either of us has no more cards in our hands. So for what you're about to see, I caught myself off guard and didn't say still before she was going to try and win the game.
X squared minus 25.
Factor x minus 5.
So that's all for the trial. With the trinomial card given being x squared minus 25 and its factors of x minus 5 and x plus 5. In the end, my sister got the winning card or factor which is x minus 5. Which means she won the game.
Someone already shouted factor, hence, it will be considered as a win. That's all for the presentation. Thank you so much.